வாழ்க வளமுடன் வணக்கம் friends. Today we are going to visit a very historically famous place, that is India's Jurassic Park. Yes, the dinosaur fossil park situated in the village Rayoli near Balasunar is the India's Jurassic Park. This park is the second largest dinosaurs hatchery next to the Aix-en province in France, and it is the third largest dinosaurs excavation center. And this park is situated in Balasunar. This is area which is rich with minerals, and during 1980s the paleontologist found the bones and fossils of dinosaurs, and the nearby village peoples started taking these fossils and started worshipping for some time, even now also. One of the skeleton excavated in this place is kept in Kolkata Museum, and it is reported that more than 13 species of dinosaurs are those who are lived in 1,000 million years before until they extinct about 66 million years ago. So this park is situated in 72 hectares of land, and there are more than thousands of dinosaur fossils are available in this 72 acres area park. Because the soil for this area is very soft, so the dinosaurs prepared to have their hatching of eggs in this soft soil, and also protecting the newly hatched young ones is also very easy. So they have selected this particular place, and which is having the suitable for the hatching of eggs of dinosaurs. If anybody wants to visit, it is better to have a guide, so that because it is very difficult to identify where exactly the fossil is available in these 72 hectares, a guide can directly take to the particular portion. The Princess Ayaz Babi is the guardian of this particular fossil. She is maintaining this park very nicely, and there is one museum is also there in this. It will be giving all the information about the dinosaurs with help of multimedia devices, and it is fully air conditioned museum, so worth to visit. Generally this park is open for public from Tuesday to Sunday. Monday is a holiday. The entrance fee is only 20 rupees for adult and 10 rupees for children, whereas the visiting to the museum is 500 rupees per person. The timing is from 8 am to 6 pm. It is about 94 kilometers from Anand, 114 kilometers from Baroda, and around 103 kilometers from Ahmedabad. So you can easily reach by flight to either Baroda or Ahmedabad, then you can go by road. And if you visit Amul Dairy in Anand, from here also it can be, it's around 90 kilometers. So this is the one of the place, so having a scientific significance, and as well as India should proud that we are having a largest fossil of for dinosaurs in India. And have a visit and enjoy. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.